This guide will help you install League of Legends and address frame stuttering issues. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth gaming experience. Step 1. Download the game. Visit the official League of Legends website and click on the download button. Choose the appropriate version for your operating system and wait for the download to complete. Step 2. Install the game. Locate the downloaded installer file and double-click it to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation, selecting your preferred installation directory. Step 3. Update graphics drivers. Before launching the game, ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Install them and restart your computer if necessary. Step 4. Adjust in-game settings. Launch League of Legends and go to the Settings menu. Navigate to the video settings and lower the graphics quality, disable VSync, and set the frame rate limit to match your monitor's refresh rate to reduce stuttering. Step 5. Optimize system performance. Close any unnecessary background applications that may be using system resources. You can also adjust your computer's power settings to high performance to ensure that League of Legends runs smoothly. By following these steps, you should be able to install League of Legends and minimize frame stuttering issues. Enjoy your gaming experience.